Hi everyone, it's Hazel's Emporium. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my prep. And please hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video. So for today's video, everyone, this is another replica store online. HAZELLUXURY company is the name of this, as you have all known in my title. So yes, this is another replica store. I will be doing an unboxing, a review, and definitely I will do another try on using this bag. So this is a very quick information about this company. So HAZELLUXURY company is another replica store online, guys. Okay, so they sell the best quality product in the store. I will put all the link and information below in this video. They do have a lot of stuff, as you can all see that. So this is just a very quick glance to you all, guys. So there are ongoing sales in all locations. You can shop this store. They do have a lot of product. Name all the product that you want, these stores has it. So I will put all the link and information below in this company. So here this is. Let's do the unboxing, and please be careful when using sharp object, okay? Oh goodness, I love the color though. Yellow, goldy yellow. So let's proceed. Okay, all right. Pretty color, yellow, goldy yellow, huh? Okay, so all right. Oh, their dust bag is heavy duty though. And I have here. Cute. All the information. Okay, let's proceed. This is a medium size burgundy. I ordered, or I choose, the Goyard. Hear that? Zipper smooth so perfectly. Okay, let us take this off. Oh, look at that, guys. I can have my wallet inside, a case of my eyeglasses, keys, and just the basic good to go, you know. Let's take a look closely to this. Well, one sec. So what do you think of this? Listen, guys. Oh, right, zipper slide so perfectly. Oh, can you hear that? Okay, so different lock style from my previous unboxing, but it is manageable though. So there is another side pocket, big one too, and yeah, I can have my wallet here, my eyeglasses case, my phone, my keys. This is a good to go kind of bag. Not too big, not too small, just the perfect medium size for our everyday good to go. Oh, look at this lock, very secure. I'm just gonna put this back on. I'll take this off when I am using this in my outdoor try on. So final look, there is a side pocket at front. Okay, final look, this is how the zipper handle looks like. I'll take this plastic off later. And the handle seems like a hard leather. Check all the stitches is in place. Everything is in place, guys. So I like the color. I choose burgundy. Right, look at that. Very decent. Cute. Beautiful though. Thank you so much, Hazel's Luxury Company, for this. I love this. This is my first Goyard, guys. Oh, can't wait to try this on. Oh my god, what a cutie. Super. Alright. So here this is. Isn't it so cute? This is like a good to go bag, like for a day, like, you know, let's go come with coffee with friends. This is really good for that. Yeah, so what do you think of this? Thank you so much, Hazel Luxury Company, for this. I love it. If I am going to give this a rate, I will give this 9.5. This is very handy and I like the material. Hard leather though, you know. So thank you so much for this. And what do you think of this, guys? I can't really wait to try this on. Okay, so I will be trying this on somewhere within Canada. We're going to, well, you will find it out. Okay, so let's put this in my luggage. Okay, so this is all packed. Good to go.
Don't you come back no more. Oh baby, listen baby, don't you treat me so mean. You're the mean